The Windows Master Academy offers a wide range of tutorials, tips, and reviews for all things related to Windows operating systems. It is a community of Windows enthusiasts who aim to help users improve their computer skills and master Windows. Sachin Lakshan is the expert behind this channel, sharing his knowledge and expertise with the community. ChatGPT is a new AI chatbot developed by OpenAI, a research organization dedicated to creating and ensuring the safe and beneficial use of artificial intelligence. ChatGPT is a language model, which means it can generate text responses based on a given input or prompt. It can answer questions, converse on various topics, and even write creative pieces such as stories or poems. In this blog post, we will explore what ChatGPT is, how it works, and what are some of its applications and limitations. We will also provide some examples of how to use ChatGPT and how to evaluate its responses. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a sibling model to Instruct GPT, which is another language model developed by OpenAI that can follow instructions and provide detailed responses. ChatGPT is designed to interact in a conversational way, which means it can answer follow-up questions, admit its mistakes, challenge incorrect premises, and reject inappropriate requests. ChatGPT is built using a deep learning architecture called the transformer, which enables it to learn patterns in language and generate text that is coherent and human-like. It has been trained on a massive corpus of text data from the internet, which gives it a broad knowledge base and vocabulary. One of the main applications of ChatGPT is in chatbots, where it can be used to provide automated customer service, answer FAQs, or even engage in more free-flowing conversations with users. However, it can also be used in other natural language processing (NLP) applications such as text summarization, language translation, and content creation. How does ChatGPT work? It uses a technique called attention, which allows it to focus on the most relevant parts of the input in the previous context. It also uses a technique called beam search, which allows it to explore multiple possible responses and choose the best one based on a scoring function. ChatGPT has been trained using two methods: supervised fine-tuning and reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF. Supervised fine-tuning involves providing the model with human-written conversations as examples of how to respond. RLHF involves collecting feedback from human evaluators who rank different model responses based on their quality. This way, the model can learn from its own mistakes and improve over time. ChatGPT is fine-tuned from a model in the GPT-3.5 series, which is an improved version of GPT-3, one of the most advanced language models in the world. GPT-3.5 was trained on an Azure AI supercomputing infrastructure using more data and computational resources than GPT-3. What are some limitations of ChatGPT? ChatGPT is not perfect and has some limitations that users should be aware.